So my homeboy saw me getting busy on IG and sent me this clip and said he wanted to do something like this, and can I do it? I said, absolutely, send me what you got. So he sent me this cutting board and his cabinet. Cutting board was out of whack. So I went to the router, get me a straight reference line, and use the downcut bit to give me a joining edge, which is what you see here. Take the cabinet, turn it upside down. Now I have a straight line that I can reference off of, and I mark what I'm going to cut off right there. Go to the fess tool, get that nice and square. Look at there. That is before jointing, and that's after jointing. I had some aluminum angle brackets. I put some felt on the side, glued it on, and just nailed it to the bottom to support the cutting board better, as you see there. When I did that, I realized that I wanted it to slide further back, so I needed to notch out the left and right side of the back piece of the actual drawer, which you see here. Bong, bong. Yep. And I also had to take a little bit off the very back of the drawer so to slide nicely. Here you see a little divider to divide the drawer from the throwaway section. Voila. There you have it. Hey, it's another one.